Hello, it's me. Welcome to OnlyDashcams. I like you. I like you more if you subscribe. Dziękuję.
Come on, buddy, make your choice. There you go, baby. There you go, boo-boo. Lost it, buddy. Hi, I'm here. Oh, buddy, you have not everything on, do you?
In US and A's, it is very important that you stop at a red light. Until you get bored, then just pull off anyway.
मम्मी को डॉल फार्मा में कितना मजा है है ना? पर मम्मी फिर भी देखेंगे भाई चार्ट।
I'm Ricky Henderson, it's all about the Benjamins. Ever seen a gentleman on a regiment of innocence? Better celebrate. If you see me at the club, just keep shaking your gelatin.
I asked my friends what is meaning of the word clusterfuck, and they sent me this video to explain. One day, I driving along, minding own businesses, when I get attacked by giant accordion. In my country, accordion not for driving. It for music and summoning prostitute when you need the sexy times.
Okay. Dude, what the fuck?
That's so Mark Twain. All right. Thank you all for
Red means stop, but always exception. As long as you carefully sneak, and then when coast is clear, you put pedal to metals. Upon arriving in the Los Angeles, I am pleased to see that only drivers are men, and dog, no women's, very sensible.
appeal for exactly their nefarious actions, but you know.
I can't believe I have to make teachings to Americans. Green mean go. Sir, green mean go. Where are you going, Gypsy? Red means stop. Maybe I am wrong. Maybe red mean go. I explores. Let me know what you thinks in the comments below. And next time I drives, I do exactly what you writes. I trust you. Wow. Another example of red meanings go. Let's try one more time. Going on greens. Here we go. Wow. It is final. Red must mean the stops. I am certain. If red not mean stop, I shave off all pubis and make eatings.
Oh. That's
Are you serious?
Now my pubis as smooth as Jada Smith's head. I still confused about colored lights. So I try going on greens again. Epic fails.
Yep.
Now I perfectly understand the colored lightings. Not.
Damn, you can even do that. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, they're gonna run it. Did they almost crash? Yeah.
is a parking lot, dude. Fucking idiot. Shut up, dude. Just shut up.
Now I'm giving you red lights to hit subscribe. That means go. Dziękuję.